In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish site on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your site from the editor to live on the web with confidence and clarity. First, open your site editor. This is the workspace where you design, write, and arrange everything your visitors will see. When the editor loads, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. You'll find your main canvas in the center with tools and settings around the edges. This is where you can edit text, swap images, adjust layouts, and fine-tune colors and fonts so your site matches your brand or project. Next, make your changes. As you update your pages, think like a visitor. Check that headings are clear, paragraphs are easy to read, and buttons say exactly what they do. Test any links you've added to be sure they point to the right place. If you include galleries, forms, or store elements, confirm they look balanced and function as expected. It's also a good idea to glance at spacing and alignment so everything feels consistent from top to bottom. Before you publish, take advantage of quick checks that help you catch small issues. Use the preview option to see your site as a visitor would, without any editor tools on the screen. Switch to the mobile view to ensure text, images, and buttons resize nicely on a phone. If something feels crowded or too small, adjust it now so your mobile visitors have a smooth experience. And remember, saving your work as you go is helpful, but saving alone doesn't make your site public. When you're happy with the way everything looks, go to the top right and click Publish. This is the moment that pushes your updates live. Wix will confirm the publish and show you the live link. If you already have a custom domain connected, your changes appear at that address. If you're using a free Wix URL, your site will be available there immediately. Either way, your site is now live. After publishing, give it a quick spot check in a fresh browser tab. If you don't see your updates right away, refresh the page or try an incognito window to bypass cached content. Share the link with a colleague or friend for a quick proofread and to make sure forms and buttons behave correctly. And anytime you want to refine your site, just return to the editor, make your updates, and click Publish again to push the latest version live. That's all it takes. Open your site editor, make your changes, click Publish, and your site is live. Keep refining, keep publishing, and watch your site grow.